excited. Are you excited or not? He's super excited. He loves monster trucks, so this is our first time together. It's my first time and it's also his first time. Are you excited, super duper excited to see the monster trucks? Yeah. You see the trucks? Right now we're currently on the bus heading there. We're gonna change from the station. We'll go to the next station. This is the bus right here. Open it up. What's this side? Whoa! Get your monster trucks out. Are we gonna see that one there? What's this one? This one. Oh, this is El Toro Loco. Okay, what's the next one? Put it there. What's the next one? Oh, that's a super cool one. Whoa. Okay, we put it there. What else you got? Oh, you've got the grave digger. Cool. You've got puppy one. Any more? That's all? How cool is that? You brought a couple monster trucks along with you. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, we can't forget it. Okay. How many monster trucks do you have there? 4. Well done, Jericho. Are you excited to see the monster truck? Yeah? Yay! Hi, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. So I'm on a bus. Because this is our stop now, so let's get off of there. Come on, stick nice and close. Train station there, okay? Alright, so we have arrived at the train station. And then catch the train and head there. Check out man. Alright, Jericho, let's go. Thank you, bus driver. Thank you. Come on, Jericho. Jump. Thank you. Alright, Jericho, you ready to catch the train as well? Yeah? Choo-choo train! Alright, let's go up here. Press the button here. Here. Yeah. We gotta go buy a ticket, come. Let's check which oh, sorry. Think. Park. Over there. Olympic Park, that's where we're going. Alright. How'd you go? Yep, all good. It's coming down. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we're not too far away from the Olympic Park. That's where the event is. The monster truck event. Are you excited, Jericho? Yay! Fist bump, Papa. Yeah! Come. Let's go, little man. Come. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Hello, train. Train. Train's here. Okay. We got up and down. Get up here. Come on. Okay, find a seat, Jericho. Find a seat. Well done. Hey, Jericho. Hey, what does the train sound like? Choo choo. Train tracks, see the train tracks? Step. Good job. Come on, let's go. Don't run too fast. Come on, let's go. Alright, so we have arrived here at the place. Now today's a special day actually because there's a lot of events on today. Ed Sheeran, he's also here performing here at Sydney live, and he's also performing tomorrow, Sunday. It's a very nice place. Sick place. You wanna follow it? Look, go follow it. Look at that. Snake and ladders, this one. How cool is that? Look, it's a gecko.
How's it going down here?
Go, climb up the ladder. There, the ladder. Climb up the ladder. Go. Yo, watch out. There's another ladder here. You gonna climb up the ladder? Alright, Jericho, we're gonna go to the Kudos Bank Arena, which is up that way, Jericho. Alright, Jericho, let's go. Come, follow Dad, please. Got the very big core stadium over there. Wow, this place is amazing, beautiful. As you guys can see, this is Sydney Olympic Park. Stay close, Jericho. We're gonna be at the Kudos Arena. We're kinda late, but that's okay. We can still make it. Hi, Jericho. It's just over that way, Jericho. Whoa! Yeah! Keep walking. Alright, it's this way, Jericho. Alrighty, so we're walking there now at the event, Kudos Bank Arena. This is where you're meant to be at. It's just right over there. Alright, Jericho, we're so close to it now, Jericho. You excited? I'm so excited too. Come on, let's keep going. Yeah, this place is massive. Sydney Olympic Park is great to take your families. There's plenty of places over here. There's the swimming pool, parks, got food market over there. Today's in a special event because there's Ed Sheeran as well performing today, live. Look, it's Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran. There's that Kiss 10065 bus. Kyle and Jackie O. Alrighty, so just arriving at the Kudos Bank Arena, where the monster truck event is held at. There it is. Say yay! He's so excited. Are you excited? He got tired from running all the way there. Got me to carry him. Are you tired, Anak? Are you tired? Yeah, you got your trucks in the bag. Are we gonna see the trucks there? The same one that you have? Yeah. It's over there. There it is. Big one. All right. As you can see, this area, it's massive. It's so big. I've done a very good job of making this for families, gathering. They hold a lot of events over here. But today is our day because we're gonna go to the monster truck event. Yay!
Why?
Huh? Why? You wanna go walk again? All right, walk. Wow, you can hear it already. Let's go. Let's go. There it is. There it is, son. Alright, Jericho. This is the security guard. Hello.
Can you open it for me, please? Second one? Yeah, alright. you're good.
Just nappies. Jericho, go, Jericho. Walk through, Jericho. Jericho, go. Go there. Thank you. Alright, Jericho, let's go. Alright, so we are now inside the Kudos Bank Arena. We're gonna present our ticket. Gonna get our bag checked for the second time. Come, let's go. Thank you.
All the soup there. What's the next?
This way. Woo! Monster truck event. Oh, this one. All right, so we have arrived inside the monster truck event. We're inside. There's tons of people here, tons of families around. Come, let's go. Come, oh, come again, Papa. Oh, Papa, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, we're gonna go to door 6, which is. Let's go eat something first, eh? I'm gonna go find something to eat first. Wow, there's a lot of people here today. So cool. Get something quickly to eat. Right. What do I have? Alright, here we go. We'll like a key Jericho, okay? Get something to eat, okay? Stick close. So today is Saturday. It's a nice sunny day today. There's tons of people here inside the Kudos Bank Arena. We're gonna go get something to eat. Hey, what would you like to eat? There is cheeseburger, chicken burger, chicken nuggets in combo. How about that? We get chicken nuggets in combo? Yeah? Okay. Jericho. Come here, Jericho. Come sit close. Rico, come over here. Alright, Jacob, we got chicken burger, chicken nuggets, and drink. Yeah? Alright, so we're gonna buy something to eat first. I think we're gonna go for the chicken nuggets and chips combo. Hey, we can get some ice cream afterwards, okay? Hello, can we get a chicken nuggets and chips combo, please? Hey, don't put your feet there. Put your feet there. Wait, take them. I will pay by cash.
Oh no, we only accept cards. It's cashless.
Alright, so we arrived here at the Monster Truck event. We've got the show going on at the moment. Yeah! It's crazy, isn't it?
We're going to go down.